YouTube, how's it going? Rob, Chicken Ranch Homestead. Storm came through, still a little snow going. 4-foot drifts. That's 4 foot. That's ground level. It's about 4 foot tall. I got some others over here by the van and by the chicken coop. I hope everyone's making it well, being safe, and surviving. And I just wanted to make a quick little update, show the snow drifts and how we're surviving. And I can go out here and let's see, kind of see it there. It's all drifted through. Our neighbor came over this morning with the front end loader on the tractor and cleaned us out really quick with a strip. We got 3-foot drifts all around the camper. But let me do this. But yeah, you can see those drifts are kind of coming near the carport, out there by the grapevines and all over. It just comes ripping off those fields. It comes down and comes across and it just gets us. I need to put up snow fence right along where the posts are for the goat fence. Maybe I'll put some T-posts in next year that I can just put some fencing onto that, some snow fencing. That'll stop a lot of that. But yeah, just a quick update. We're surviving. We survived. Made it through the night. No ice storms. No ice buildup really, and that's the main thing. Ice is what scares me because that just snaps power lines. But remember to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you again next time here on the Chicken Ranch Homestead. All right.